How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Came home today from work for lunch and had this in the mailbox. Who's it from? It's Lithium Auto Elixirs. What's in it? Have no idea. Didn't say they were sending anything, didn't know they were sending anything, but we'll get to that in a minute. But we got to see what's in this bad boy, so shall we? Just as soon as I get out of here, because like I said, I am not feeling good at all. And the reason for it is right there. Oh my God. I got to get out of here. I am sorry. I am not feeling good at all. My God, let's get out of here. Now, if you don't know who Lithium Auto Elixirs is, you owe yourself a big favor to check them out. They produce car care products, auto care products. Very, very top quality and everything. They use a lot of natural ingredients so that it actually revives your car, like leather and plastics and stuff like that, rather than just coating it, you know. So you really need to check them out. Now, with that being said, I haven't heard from them in a while. I follow them on Facebook, I follow them on Instagram and everything, and you know, I haven't heard from them for a while. I've left messages, and you know, they have their own video channel and everything, and I've dropped a few comments on their videos, and they just, I don't know, it's like they just vanished. But with that said, I didn't give up on them. I kept saying, you know, congrats on a great product, because I see in other videos people getting stuff and saying how good it is and all that stuff. So I'm like, you know, great. I'm proud of them. I'm proud for them. You know, so I always drop a comment, congrats, you know, and stuff like that. So there's something in this bad boy. It's rather small filling. So let's see what's in here, shall we? I got my magic letter opener, as I always do. And we're going to open this bad boy up without letting some of that magic red stuff out of me. Because it's not that easy to put it back in there. What do we have in here? Stick that over there. Ooh, yes, yes. And this is what I have been seeing people get. And in one of their videos, or a comment one that we were talking back and forth, I can't remember what it was, but I remember them saying that they had this product in testing. You know, there's testing it. And I had asked in some of their videos, and I had asked other people in their videos, because you know, Lithium has sent a lot of stuff around to people and whatnot, and like Fab Automotive Detailing and you know, just so many other channels. And I'm like, have you guys heard anything about it? You know, any idea of when it's going to be released? I mean, nobody had heard anything about it. It's like they said something about it, nobody heard it, and they left it at that. It's almost like a slip of the lip, you know. But anyhow, what it is, this is going to be fun trying this, is Lithium Auto's G series, or series G, however you want to look at it. I'm assuming it's G series, and the G is for graphene. Yes, the latest greatest thing, graphene trim restoration cubes. Look at that. I cannot wait to try this, and just as soon as the weather changes, I will definitely be trying these, and you'll see a full video on it, how to apply it, you know. And then I'll do updates, you know, because you see right there it says guaranteed for 250 washes. That's a lot of washes. A lot of products say a lot of things, but they don't always come through. Now with Lithium, everything they've ever told me, or everything I've ever read, or on their packaging and everything, it's done what it said. It really has. I mean, I've been very, very pleased with it. And they sent me this. I didn't pay for it. Didn't know it was coming. Like I said, we haven't talked in a while and everything, so you know, if you want to say this is a sponsored video, by all means go ahead. They sent the product. But as all of you know, whenever I do the installation or application or the testing of this product, you know I'll shoot you straight. I'll never lie to you, because there's so much of that out there already. But let's read on the back and see what this says. I'll try to read it anyway. Graphene infused trim restoration cubes. Trim cubes represent the cutting edge when it comes to restoring, protecting your plastic trim. They were developed the same way all lithium products are, by asking what is possible, then pushing those limits. Trim cubes are a unique type of foam which has been impregnated with an extremely pure 9H graphene. This formula will last longer than any other product on the market, guaranteed. You can expect one application to last up to, depending on if your car is kept in the garage and all that. So just don't think you can put it on there and the car stays outside and it lasts 200 washes, because that's just not, no. Which we in the industry like to call forever. True graphene formula keeps trim protected and looking new for over 200 forever, or 250 washes, whichever comes first. Super easy to use pre-impregnated applicators. Just remove from the resealable bag in white. Kit comes complete with sponge applicators and protective gloves. Thank you for putting those in there, because you know today's chemicals and everything, and we need to be safe. Even though I know a lot of your stuff is biodegradable and natural and all that, we still don't want stuff soaking in our skins, because it can affect your health. Directions. To ensure optimal results, it is best to clean and prepare the surface with isopropyl alcohol. This will remove any contaminants or residue from past products, like Armor All or their trim Lithium's own trim serum or anything like that. Using the gloves, which we provided with the kit, open the bag and remove a single trim cube. With light to medium pressure, wipe down plastic parts with product, occasionally flipping the sponge over to achieve maximum coverage. Once full coverage is achieved, buff dry with clean microfiber towel. If any streaking or high spots occur, buff with a moist microfiber towel, then dry. Now with that said, I have learned through a lot of products, and even Lithium's products, if you get a high spot, if you'll go back over it with the same product, and I'm not saying that's with this because I haven't tried this yet, but typically if you'll go back over it with the same product and then immediately wipe it, it will I'm just going to use the word liquefy that product that's on there, and then when you hit it with the microfiber to knock it down, it makes it so much easier. I'm not saying that's with this. I'll try it and let you know. If any streaking or hot spot, okay, I read that already. If the plastic is severely damaged or discolored, you may need to apply a second coat. Allow the product to cure 8 to 12 hours before getting wet. That means car washes and everything. You know, you want to apply it, you know, and not wash your car for 8 to 12 hours. And you know, you don't want to be sitting out there and have it in a torrential downpour, so watch your weather. Apply it, you know, when there's not a chance of any of that. So, warning, it is important to use common sense when handling this or any chemical. Avoid jealous neighbors. Yep. Luckily, all of mine around here is not that young, so I don't have much of that to worry about. Hyper poodles. And I don't have any of them around, thank goodness. They moved out. In contact with skin, hence the gloves. Always use gloves. Exercise extreme caution when opening bag, as liquids may splash towards your eyes. Wearing eye protection is recommended. Do not ingest. I don't know what this sponge looks like, but I'm probably pretty sure it doesn't look like a Dorito, so I don't see myself, you know. If the product is ingested, drink 2 glasses of water. If you do not feel well, contact your physician, as with anything. If you get this product in your eyes, rinse thoroughly with cold water for several minutes, then seek medical help. Materials data sheets are available at lithiumautocare.com. And as always with their products, this is why I really like them. You see the flag, and then right there, formulated in the United States. Formulated and produced in the United States. So I'm going to open this up. And I know I shouldn't, but it's resealable, so I'm going to open it up. We're going to see what's in here. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Okay, there's the bag. Again, we have, let's set the stuff down. We have the instructions. Put the gloves on. Use cleaner provided in kit labeled step 1 to wipe down surface. Make sure everything is completely dry before using. So they actually include a cleaner to go with it. Open the trim packet. So it gives the directions. There's the directions. And then it has expectations and directions on the back. We'll be checking those out. Then they give you the Lithium G Series Step 1 pre-wash spray with a handy dandy sprayer. The gloves, these things are thick too. I mean, they are thick. You sure you won't be buying these at AutoZone or anything, that's for sure. These stickers are thick. And then 4 packets of the cubes. I'm assuming there's 1 in there, 1 per pack. I mean, if it lasts 250 washes, I mean, dang. If you washed your car every single day, you know, that's almost a year worth of washing. So there's 1 year, there's 2 years, there's 3 years, there's 4 years. But with that stated, be on the lookout. It's like I said, as soon as the weather breaks, we'll start trying these out. I'll get the cars cleaned up and we'll try them out, because my Tahoe has a lot of plastic. And my 93 Camaro has a lot of plastic, which needs some love. So we'll be trying this out, so be on the lookout for that. It's coming soon, and I'll give you an honest review. We'll check the ease of application, what it smells like, do I like the way it goes on, all that stuff, and then I'll give you reviews every so often to let you know how it's lasting. So with that stated, I'm going to get off here. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, we'll see you. Thank you all so very much for watching.